Dear students, today we will learn about multiplication of a number by a one digit number or a two digit number. Let us first go to the multiplication of a number by one digit number. Suppose we have to multiply the number 365 by 7. Then how can we do this? Let us first arrange the numbers in columns. 365 and then below 7. Give the multiply sign. Now do the multiplication with the table of 7. 7 5 ja 35. 7 5 ja 35. 5 for 35. 5 is written. 3 carry for the next step. Now here 7 6 ja 42. 42 plus carry 3 45. For 45 5 we will write and 4 carry for next step. 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus 4 25. So 2555. 2555. This becomes the answer. Another example, suppose you have to multiply 123 by 3. Proceed same way. 123 we have to multiply it by 3. So here 3 3 ja 9, no carry thereafter. 3 2 ja 6, again no carry. 3 1 ja 3. So we get 369. Let us take another example to multiply a 4-digit number with 4. So in the similar way we will first arrange the numbers and multiply it by 4. So we will go through the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8. No carry. Now 4 4 ja 16. 16 6 and 1 carry just above 7. 4 7 ja 28 plus carry 1 29. 9 is here, 2 carry above 3. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1 4. So this completes the multiplication and result we get 14,968. So in this way we can multiply any digit of number by a one digit number. In every case I have taken only one digit number, here 7, here 3, here 4, and the multiplication process is in this way. Now suppose we have to multiply a given number by a two digit number. Multiplying a number by two digit number. Let us suppose take number, multiply it by 14. So first we will arrange the numbers in column 325 and below 14 give multiply sign. Now proceed. How? First we will multiply 325 by 4. So go through the table of 4. 4 5 ja 20. 0. 2 carry. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus carry 2. 10. 10 0. 1 carry for next step. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13. So this completes the multiplication just only by 4. Now there is another digit 1. Before going to multiply this by 1, we have to put a cross sign or multiply sign just below 0. Now multiply with 1 and write down here. 1 5 ja first 5 here just below 0. Just after cross sign you have to put the first digit 1 5 5. 1 2 ja 2. 1 3 ja 3. Now we have to add between these two rows. 1300 and 325. Add 0 here is cross means 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 1, 4. So the result become 4550. Moreover, see it here that whenever we are multiplying the number by a 2-digit number, we always get 2 rows. First row is for here 1300, second row for multiplying 1 here 325. In this way. Let us take another example. Suppose we have to multiply 79 by 45. Okay, so let us first arrange 79 and 45. Give multiply sign. Now proceed. First we will go through the table of 5. We have to multiply first 79 by 5. 5 9 ja 45, 45, 5 is here, 4 carry, 4 carry. Now here 5 7 ja 35, 35 plus 4, 39, 3 9. Now give a cross sign just below 5. Now multiply the number 79 with 4. So 4 9 ja 36, 6 here, 3 carry for next step. Here 4 7 ja 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 3 1. Now we have to add the numbers. So here 5, 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1 carry again, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 3, 3555. This becomes the answer. So here we have multiplied 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Let us come another example. Suppose we have to multiply the number 384 by 28. First we will arrange the numbers in column. 384 and 28 we have to multiply. So first we will go through the table of 8. 8 4 ja 32, 2, 3 carry, 8 8 ja 64, 64 plus 3, 67, 7 is here, 6 carry, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 6, 33, 0. This complete the multiplication by 8. Now give a cross sign just below 2 and multiply again 384 by 2. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 8 ja 16, 6 and 1 carry here. Now 2 3 ja 6 plus 1, 7. Now add the 2 rows. 2, 7 plus 8, 15, 5, 1 carry, 6 plus 0, 6 plus carry 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So this becomes the answer, 10,752. So this is the method to multiply a number by 1 digit or by a 2-digit number. Now coming to the next topic, multiplication of a number by 3-digit number. In that case, suppose we have to multiply a number. I am taking here 327. We have to multiply it by a 3-digit another number 142. So first we will arrange the numbers 327 and 142. We have to multiply between this. So first we will go through the table of 2. We have to complete multiply 327 by 2. Let us start. 2 7 ja 14, 4, 1 carry. 2 2 ja 4 plus carry 1, 5. 2 3 ja 6. This complete first row multiplying by 2. Now give a cross sign just below 4. Now let us multiply the number 327 by digit 4. 4 7 ja 28, 8. Now 2 carry for this. Now 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 0. Now 1 carry. 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1, 13. This complete the multiplication of 327 by 4. Now give double cross sign, successively 2 cross sign, one just below the cross and one just below 8. Now multiply 327 by 1. 1 7 ja 7, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. So here we get 3 rows. As we are multiplying the number by 3 digit number, we got 3 rows. First row is this is the second row, this is the third row. Now we have to add all these rows number. First 4, 5 plus 8, 13 3, 1 carry. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1 carry, 14 4, again 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 plus carry 1, 6, and 3 plus 1, 4. So get the result this 46,434. Let us come to another example. Suppose we have to multiply this number by 125. Okay. First we will arrange the numbers. 1428, we have to multiply it by 125 in this way. First we will start with 5. Let us multiply. 5 8 ja 40, 40 0, 4 carry. Now here 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 4, 1 carry. 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 1, 2 carry. 5 1 ja 5 plus 2, 7. So first we get 7140. Now give a cross sign just below 0 and proceed the multiplication this number by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 16 6. Now here 1 carry for second step. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. Next no carry. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. Now give double cross sign successively one by one. Now multiply this number by 1. 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2, 1 4 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1. Now add the all numbers. First here 0, 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus carry 1 15, 5 1 carry. 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 2 17 plus carry 1 18, 8 1 carry. 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 carry 7 and 1. So we get this result 1,78,500. So in this way we can multiply any number by a 3 digit number. Difference is we will get 3 rows, first row, second row, third row in this way, and then we have to add all the numbers. So this is the method to find the multiplication of a number by a 3 digit number. Okay, this completes the topic. Next day we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.